Assalamu alaikum there. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Welcome to the speaking section of the IELTS test. This is Sanem Nal, your examiner. I'll conduct your speaking test from right now at practice of becomes. It has 3 parts, are instructive for each. Okay?
Okay,
Shall we start?
obviously,
Match your ID.
obviously. Here it is. Take a look, please.
What's your full name?
My full name is Samuel Aljami. You can address me as my nickname Mahi.
Okay, Mahi. For part 1, I'll ask a couple of questions to get to know you better and some questions on a general topic. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Where are you from?
Okay, my hometown is Hobbyganj, but I am from Chunarugat, to be more exact, Adampur.
Okay. Is it big or small town?
In my opinion, my hometown is a small city from northern side of Bangladesh, and it's a beautiful city because there are various kinds of tourist places around my hometown.
Okay. How long have you been living in this area?
I live in there since of my birth, and after my graduation of 8th standard, I came from there to Hobbyganj.
Okay. What's your favorite sports?
Basically, I'm a sport lover. I love several kinds of sports such as football, cricket, badminton, and so on. Among them, I prefer cricket.
Okay. Why you love this sport?
There are lots of reasons why I loved cricket, not only for me but also for everyone who lived in Bangladesh. Their first choice sports is cricket.
Okay. Do you want sports related news?
Obviously, I fond of that so much because the news improve my English skills as well as my sports skills.
Okay. Let's talk about film and TV. How much television do you watch per day?
To be very honest with you, I don't prefer watching television nowadays. But when I was a child, I watch several kinds of cartoons on the televisions.
Who do you normally watch TV with?
Uh, as I mentioned earlier, I don't prefer watching television nowadays, but whenever it comes to watch any kinds of serials such as Ittadi, I prefer with my cousins and my family members.
Okay. What kinds of TV programs do you enjoy the most?
Uh, in my opinion, there are lots of TV programs which should be preferred for everyone, such as Ittadi, Poila Boishakh episode, Big Boss, and so on. Among them, I prefer Ittadi.
Okay. What is your favorite TV program at the moment?
Uh, in this moment, there are, to be very frank with you, there are not available any kinds of TV program which should be preferred by me. But if the Big Boss season 8 should be start after a few months, then it would be.
Okay, that is the end of your part 1. Now we'll continue our speaking part 2. In this section, I'll show you a cue card. You have 1 minute to think about your answers. Within this 1 minute, you can make some notes as well. And you will get 1 to 2 minutes to talk.
Okay,
I'll
sir.
tell you when to start and when to stop.
Okay, sir.
Here is the note paper and here is the pen. And your cue card topic is describe your best friend. Your 1 minute preparation time begins now. Okay, please start your speaking.
Okay. In my entire life, I have met with a lots of friends. Among them, Niloy is my best friend. He is from my hometown. Besides, a stone thrown away from my own accommodation, he lived. And nowadays, he lived in the United States of America. But after he went to there we did not cut off our relations and bonding, or we keep touch with each other from social media. And he was too close for me as well as my family members. As I mentioned earlier, he was a stone thrown away from my hometown home. So he was very frank with my family members, my sisters, cousins, and my other friends as well as. And nowadays he works in Amazon, who is delivered from which started from USA, and after a few months he will be able to come in Bangladesh, and it will be a great opportunity to meet with him for me. And he is not only a friend of mine, he's a brother to me, but also a brother to me. He has done everything for me, not only such as he getting me out from several kinds of unknown problems, such as financial problems, study related problems. As an example, when I was in my 10th standard, I was very weak in my math subject. In that case, he helped me a lot of, such as giving me suggestions and gave me some times according to his opinion, or he made me one of our teacher for my improvement in mathematics. And he done everything for me as a friend can. uh, I have touched with him since 8 or 9 years, not to be exact, but in that time he have done everything for me.
Okay, I'll stop you there. Give me the cue card. Put this paper right here. Thank you.
So, thank you, sir.
Let's continue with speaking part 3 related with your response.
Yes.
Which is more important to you, friends or family?
To be very honest with you, for me, both are the most important part, because a man can't live without a man can't live his life without his family members as well as his friends. Because there are lots of problem I can't share with my family members. In that case, my friend will be preferred for me. They will help me out from my unknown type of problems, and they can figure it out with me.
Okay. How do you make new friends?
In my opinion, whenever I see someone what second or third times in the road or anywhere else, I feel like that I want to get in touch with him. We share our social media ID or contact numbers, and after that, for our bonding or mentality, we get touch with each other, and after a few days, we are like friends.
How do you think friends are important?
As I mentioned earlier, friends are very crucial for everyone, because there are ups and downs for everyone's life. The life is began with happiness, joyful, and problems as well. As whenever you felt any kinds of problem which you can't share with your family members, and other kinds of other siblings of your own family, you can share that kind of problems with your close friends, and he will absolutely figure it out or give you some suggestions how can you getting out from there. So in my opinion, friends is important for everyone.
Okay, that is the end of your spring portion. You'll get your marks within 1 to 2 days on our Facebook page and YouTube channel. Thanks for coming. Have an awesome rest of your day. Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum. Thank you, sir.